Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Didi, the mom, the boss. How are y'all doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. So today's video I will be decorating my dining room, and guys, I'm so excited because this is a very glam and luxe dining room. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it because I am just living for this dining room. Please just stay tuned because I'm pretty sure you've seen snippets at the start of the video. And so this video is a collaboration between myself and the beautiful, oh my god, guys, a sister guys, a Cameroonian sister for that matter.
Hello friends of Didi, from Didi the mom, the boss. Yes, this is Nora G from Nora G's NOOK. Excited today to be collaborating with this lovely soul. Oh my goodness. So yes, I am so excited today to be collaborating with Didi Mom Boss of Didi the Mom the Boss channel, and just bringing to you some lovely holiday tablescape glam style, of course. All right, and hope today that you pick something from here and we get to chat in the comment section, and we also pick your brain and learn some things from you as well. So do remember to subscribe on both our channels, so Nora G's NOOK and also Didi Mom Boss. So make sure to watch this video to the end, and of course stick around.
Nora G is just an amazing Canadian-based Cameroonian interior designer. She decorates for parties. She decorates her home. She is the queen, the ultimate boss lady of DIYs. If you would like to see the kind of DIYs that you've not seen anywhere on this social media, head over there. If you want to see party decorations that you don't have to break the bank, go over there. Just go, and then you come back and tell me what your thoughts are.
So this is what my dining table looks like without any decoration on it. I told you guys in our last video that I took out the chairs at the ends of the table just because I prefer it looking this way. And today this is the canvas we're going to be working with. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. Nora G told you guys at the start of the video that it's a glam tablescape, and I hope you guys can stay back, sit, relax, and watch what we're gonna create. Please do well to go to Nora G's channel, check her channel out, subscribe, and leave her a beautiful comment. Thank you guys so much. I got this runner and the placemats from TJ Maxx. I got this transparent glass vase from Ross a few months ago. I love it because you can display your decor in it, and it's kind of a dupe for the vase from Z Gallery, and it was really affordable. I got the florals from Hobby Lobby. So if you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. I hope you're here to stay. On this channel, we are not perfect. We just take our imperfections and turn them into beautiful reality. If you want oldie but a goodie, thank you. I truly appreciate you. Please, if you're not subscribed yet, do well to hit the subscribe button and of course the notification bell, so you would always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. This vase, oh my god, I got these vases from, is it at home stores? I don't remember, but they are so beautiful. And the silver candle holders I got from Ross. This just gives me that glam vibe that we are going for, and I am totally in love with it. So I used these mirrors from the Dollar Tree to display the candles because I wanted a lot of candles on the table, and I got the candles from Walmart, and I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. You can see the tablescape has a lot of symmetry, which is what I was going for. So guys, you tell me, what is your decor style? Are you glam? Are you farmhouse? Are you traditional? Tell me what kind of decor you like to do. I got the charger plates from Hobby Lobby and I love them so very much. And I got the plates from at home stores. So I got the napkins from Hobby Lobby and I got the display words as well, which act as a ring from Hobby Lobby as well. I love them so much because it's a holiday tablescape and I feel like it served the purpose for which it was gotten for. So guys, tell me, how do you like to fold your napkins? Do you try different folding techniques? I find this one's very easy for me. I did a video a few months ago about folding napkins, but this one right here is so easy and I think it just works for me. So sometimes I try to go all out folding napkins, but if I can just do something as simple as this, I'm definitely gonna go with it. These glasswares, 4 of them were gotten from Ross at 99 cents, and when I was looking for 2 extra, I finally found them at home stores for about $5.99, but I'm glad I found them. And the cutlery were gotten from at home stores, I think, or Amazon. I can't remember. Now to the bar cart, I'm not going to be doing a typical bar cart. I'm just going to be doing a display as well. And I got these vases from Ross. I love them so very much. The candle I got from at home stores, and this pumpkin from at home stores as well. So let's light up the candle and I'll take you guys around and show you guys what everything looks like.
So if you watched this video up to this point, thank you so much for your constant support. Please drop me a big heart down below. I would love to see it. Share this video with your friends so they get inspired to decorate for the season if they've been struggling to look for a decor style for this season. And of course, go to Nora G's channel, check her channel out, tell me how you like it, drop a comment for her, subscribe, like her video, share it with your friends, tell her some sweet things in the comments. Thank you guys so much for your constant support. I greatly appreciate you. Words cannot express how grateful I am for you, but all I can say is thank you.